Good morning, student. We already do the revision of the chapter magnetism. Now we start the revision of chapter student electricity. What is the electricity? Actually, electricity is made from the electric charge, positive and negative. You already explained that. First of all, the Thales scientist is there. Thales. When you rub the anything, the charge will come on the. When you rub the glass rod with the fur, that the charge will come positive and negative. And who explained the positive negative charge? That is the Benjamin Franklin. Already explained in my last lectures of the student. Yes, my last lecture of the electricity. Now we discuss the what is the electric current. When you rub the two things, the charge will come. One is the positive, one is the negative. How? When you rub two body with each other, in this body charge will come positive, in this negative, because their electron transfer to one body to another. But their charge after transferring they at rest. That is called static electricity, static current. Yes, static charge, sorry. The word uses a static charge, student. Static charge. The charge at rest. But when charges start moving in one direction, that is gives the electric current. For example, you have the copper wire. Like a cylinder shape, when you apply the positive and negative, here positive and negative, this is the symbol of the battery and this is the symbol of the cell, one positive, one negative, and a group of cell together that form the battery, student. So here you know atoms are there and electrons also there. The electron moving toward negative and positive toward positive charge toward negative. Electron move toward positive and positive toward negative. When the charge flow in one direction, the charge flow in one direction per unit time, that is called current. That is called current. The direction in which electron is moving, but their opposite direction is called conventional current, student. Conventional current. And where the electron moves, that is called real current, student. Real current. Keep in mind, student. Positive charge always flow from high potential to low potential always. High potential to low. Actually, the formula of the current is Q upon T. Q is a symbol of charge and T is a time. The charge flow in one direction per unit time, that is called current. This is the definition of current, student. Definition of current. Very easy. And what is the unit of that is the ampere. This is the name of the scientist only. That is a coulomb per second. So coulomb per second, this is the 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb per second. Keep in mind. Keep in mind. When the charge flow in one direction, 1 coulomb charge flow in one direction in 1 second in given direction, that is called 1 ampere current is there, student. 1 ampere current. So this is the definition of electric current, student. Now see there, student. Our second topic, student. Yes. For example, this is the circuit, student. Here bulb is there. This is the symbol of bulb. I will explain. This is the symbol of ammeter. The instrument used to measure the current, max current, that is ammeter. And one is a galvanometer. Their symbol is like this. Galvanometer. This is also able to measure the current only, but this is used for the lesser current, this is for the more current. And this is a voltmeter, used to measure the potential difference or voltage. Voltage. For the cell, you already know, student. And for the battery, you already know, student. For the open circuit, open key is there. Open key means off button. Button in the off position. and enclosed like this. So these are the some simple symbols are there. When actually here positive, here negative. When current flow from here you already know the electron move from here to there. Then bulb start glowing. Here key is there, student. When circuit is open, no, the glowing of bulb is not there, student, because circuit is open. No current pass. But when circuit is closed, student, yes, it shows the glowing of the bulb, student. Bulb start glowing. This is the circuit diagram, student. Circuit diagram. I already explained the definition of the electric current to you, student. Now we see the source of electricity. What is the source of electricity? Yes, source of electricity. Source of electricity, student. There are some sources are there. Electric cell, battery. Lot of sources of there is there. Electricity, electric cell, batteries, and electric main. Electric main, from where the full electricity will come. Electric main is there, student. And electric generator also, which produce the electricity in the thermal power plant, which produce the electricity, student. So these are the main sources from which you get the electricity. Actually in our home electricity not will come. Actually in our home positive and negative potential only will come, because electrons already present in the wire. When wire not work properly, then you bring the new wire of new electrons there, you get the positive and negative 220 volt voltage only from the power station, voltage only. Yes, you can say that EMF, electromotive force. So positive and negative you get only. When you get positive and negative, the electron move toward positive, negative, and positive move toward negative. Then the flow of charge, that is called electric current. The flow of charge, that is called electric current. Yes, same. For example, keep in mind, electron always move from low potential to high potential. And positive charge always move from high potential to high to low. High to low. Actually, what is the potential difference? What is the electric potential? I will explain. This is not in your syllabus, but I will explain, student. For example, this is a positive charge. Their electric field is there. Their space is there around which they have some effect. For example, if you take this negative charge in this space, this will show the attraction, maybe repulsion. If positive charge, same charge is repulsion. If the opposite charge is attraction, student. Keep in mind, attraction. Yes. To take out the charge from infinity to that point, which point in the field? This is the electric field. The effect field, that is called electric field. If a magnet is there, north pole, south pole, that is a magnetic field, student. That is called magnetic field. Electric field only, student. Electric field. So in which if you take the charge from here to here, you have to do work. So what is the potential? That is the work done to take the charge from infinity to in that point. That is the work done per unit charge. W upon Q. W means work done, Q means charge. So their unit is a volt, student. And positive charge always move from high voltage to low voltage, like a tank. Tank which is up to height. For example, this is the tank up to height. And one tank here. The water move from here to here only. High to low only. Keep in mind. So this is the definition of volt. Which instrument is used to measure the voltage is there? That is a voltmeter. Voltmeter. I already explained about the voltmeter like this. And current is used, if you want to measure the current, which instrument you use? Ammeter and galvanometer, student. Ammeter and galvanometer, student. Yes. Now our next topic is a electric cell. Electric cell. Yes, electric cell. Actually, cells are two type. Cells are two type. Yes, first is a electrochemical cell. And one is a electrolytic cell. This is not given in your book, student. Electrochemical. Chemical means conversion of the chemical energy into electric energy, student. And here, by using electric energy, you are able to break the chemical. Means electrical energy converted into chemical energy. You already know. This is the already know the example of electrolysis. Electrolysis. You are able to break the water into hydrogen plus oxygen gas very easily. Very easily, student. Yes. You already know in a electric cell, two electrodes are there. One is the anode, another is the cathode. In electrolytic cell, anode always positive, cathode negative. Here you give batteries, they are connected with the battery. Then they are able to break the, if sodium chloride is there, into Na plus Cl2. If water is there, H2 plus O2. So these cells, types of cells are called electrolytic cell. And what any definition of electrochemical cell? That is a dry cell, student. Dry cell. Very important reaction. Very important cell is there, student. Another type of cells also, button cell also. When we put in the watches there, that is also type of the electrochemical cell, student. Used in the wrist watches is also there. Yes. Now this comes on the dry cell. See there, here brass cap is there. See the construction. Outside insulation of the iron is there here. And inside the zinc, that container is there. That acts as a cathode, and inside the carbon electrode is there. That acts as anode. But in electrochemical cell, anode is a negative and cathode is a positive, student. This is the muslin bag, which is a porous in nature. Here you take ammonium chloride and plaster of Paris, POP. Plaster of Paris, POP is there. And in this muslin bag you take the manganese oxide and carbon. And here you take ammonium chloride and plaster of Paris. Actually the dry cell voltage is about 1.5 volt. It actually uses in the torches and toys mainly, student. That is the portable devices, used in the portable devices. Yes, little cells are there. You already know about this. Yes, student. So you already know about this cell. But if you connect a group of cell is there. Group of cell is called battery. A group of cell is called battery. For example, you use the lead acid battery also at home in inverter. Lead acid battery accumulator is there. Yes. From where you get, what is the main source of electricity? I already explained the electric mains to you. Electric generator also. So electric main, electric generator, the electricity with the help of wind and water, I will explain in the next lecture, student. So this is my lecture, student. In next lecture, I will explain about the how we get the energy from the electric main, electric energy from the wind by using wind and water and electric generator. Thank you.